I think I am ready. After bringing the bike from home and going on a one-day round trip to Murud Janjira Fort covering the Thamini and Khandala Ghats, now I think it is time to start the real journey. But where should I go first? Same as I was scrolling through the map, I saw
Mahabaleshwar is a picturesque hill station located in the Satara district of Maharashtra at an altitude of about 1,353 meters, 4,439 feet above sea level. Known for its cool climate, evergreen forests, and mist-covered valleys, Mahabaleshwar serves as one of Maharashtra's most popular summer retreats. It offers stunning views of the Sahyadri ranges and the young Krishna River, which originates here. The hill station is dotted with viewpoints like Arthur's Seat, Wilson Point, Kate's Point, and Elephant's Head Point, offering panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and rivers. Vena Lake is a popular spot for boating and leisure. Mahabaleshwar is renowned for its strawberries, mulberries, and other berries, earning it the title Strawberry Capital of India. The Mahabaleshwar temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, holds religious importance and gives the town its name. The area also has links to Maratha history, especially during the rule of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. It's located about 120 kilometers from Pune and 260 kilometers from Mumbai, making it a popular weekend getaway.
it won't be fun if I just go straight to Mahabaleshwar. After all, the objective is to ride through the beautiful and scenic mountain passes of the Western Ghats in Maharashtra. Therefore, I took a detour towards the Bor Ghat in order to reach the Varandha Ghat. And it was not that easy. That turns out to be one of my biggest mistakes. Why? We'll get there in a couple of minutes. I have started the journey quite early in the morning at about 5:30. The best way to skip the traffic and get out of the city before the public wakes up. After crossing the Katraj Ghat, I took a right towards the Bor Ghat. And after riding for some 10 kilometers, I saw this. And I was speechless. After spending a good 20 minutes at that location, I kept riding along hoping that the roads will be great. But there was a big problem, which is the road.
It's been like this for like not exactly like this, but complete bad patches of road, man. But boy, if it was in Himalayan, man, I would just not even think of this. I'd be just standing and just let it go.
It was still under construction, and my tiny bike was jumping all over the place to keep its feet on the ground. Every time I thought the bad stretch is done, it just kept coming back again and again. To ease the pain, I kept taking breaks to click pictures and stretch my legs. After covering about another 50 kilometers, I saw these small waterfalls and the sound of flowing water. I couldn't resist it.
It's
Had a cup of chai at the nearby tea stall and I almost
मैं वही देख रहा, हल्का हल्का कैसा लग रहा है। हाँ
हम है तब तो कुछ नहीं जा नहीं सकते किधर। हम लोग क्या शाम को घर पे जाता है ना।
हाँ ओके ओके। Bloody how the hell did I forgot my my bag, bro? It happened for the first time to me that I forgot to put on my bag, the most important thing, my backpack, my lovely backpack. How did I forget, man?
I kept riding on, admiring the beauty of scenery all along with every turn. After reaching the top, it felt like it was all worth it to go through those bad patch roads.
Bro, this is the Varandha Ghat image that I have seen, dude. Like crazy, my god. This is the Varandha Ghat view. Oh god damn it. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I'm here, dude. Oh. Oh, I can see somewhere far down, dude. That's so crazy. You're so high in the mountains. Wow. Oh god. I just want to be here for some time, man. Holy mother of God. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. It's already been a great day.
As soon as I took the left from the top of the ghat, the road has gotten much better and I couldn't resist myself from going faster into the corners. After covering another 65 kilometers, I took a left towards Mahabaleshwar. There I saw this gentleman cycling solo all the way from Kerala to Kashmir with his dog as companion, and upon asking him, he said the following details.
जोपन मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ बस आपको देख के रुक गया। मैं केरला से स्टार्ट किया हो आपने?
कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु, पौंडीचेरी, आंध्रा, तेलंगाना, गोवा,
अभी महाराष्ट्र में। कितना दिन हुआ आप चालू करके?
1 साल 7 दिन हो गया।
1 साल हो गया?
1 साल 7 दिन।
अरे
11 तारीख अक्टूबर 11 तारीख में 1 साल। आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम चैतन्य है। चैतन्य।
मेरा नाम जोपन।
जोपन, हाँ।
सेबास्टियन है नाम, जोपन बोला है।
हाँ, जोपन सेबास्टियन। ये पप्पी का नाम क्या है? इसका नाम? हाँ? कुन्नी। कितना टाइम लगेगा लद्दाख तक पहुंचने में?
और 2 साल लगेगा।
और 2 साल लगेगा?
पूरा सीधा जाता नहीं है, और इंडिया।
चलो बाय बाय। What a lovely interaction, man. This is what's most important, dude. I gave him like some money. I gave him. I don't want to give out the number, but some money I gave him, whatever I can, whatever it is in my power, I gave him. But you know, it's I want to help him more, even more. But come on, like I also have to finish my ride. That's still. But nevertheless, it was such a good interaction, man. He was
After that interaction, I kept riding on. I still had another 70 more kilometers to reach Mahabaleshwar. As I was riding up and up into the sky, the dream was getting real with every turn. I was getting closer. It got cold. The more I climbed up, the more colder it got, and I loved it.
Come back. Just oh my god. You don't understand. Oh, oof.
Then I reached Mahabaleshwar,
It's cold, right?
but there was still one more problem,
Same time.
which is the room that I've booked via the booking app was a little bit sketchy, and I didn't want to take risk, with the parking of my bike. As I was wandering around, I met this guy, and he helped me to find a hotel near the market area. For about 800 rupees, I paid for this room and got checked in. The room was decent and it costed me 800 rupees for the night.
The room. It is good. Toilet is good. Water.
By the time I reached the hotel, it was 3 o'clock, which I originally planned to reach by 11 or 12, mainly because of the unexpected off-roading situation. Nevertheless, I headed out to the viewpoints. And the viewpoints, it just felt like as I was in heaven. I could see deep into the valleys from the topmost point. The viewpoints were otherworldly. And late that night, I spent some time wandering around in the market, had dinner and called it a day. Mahabaleshwar was way more beautiful than what I thought it would be, and I just can't wait to come back. And most likely that would be next year rainy season, because in rainy seasons this place is going to be much more beautiful, foggy and rainy. But the journey doesn't end here, it just got its start, and it's going to get only better and tougher. For that, you need to come back here again. Till then, namaskar.